The 2025 MG1 has arrived, and it's turning heads in the compact SUV segment with its bold design, tech-forward features, and a performance package that's hard to ignore. MG, the iconic British brand now under the SAIC motor umbrella, continues to evolve its lineup with vehicles that merge style, substance, and value, and the MG1 is no exception. This year's model builds on the success of its predecessors with a refreshed exterior that feels modern and aggressive. Up front, the wide grille, sleek LED headlamps, and sculpted bumper give the car a sporty presence, while the rear boasts sharp tail lamps and dual-tone finishes that add to its premium appeal. The MG1's coupe-like silhouette and striking alloy wheels underscore its youthful energy, making it a standout in urban settings. Step inside, and the MG1 impresses with a cabin that rivals more expensive crossovers. The dashboard is dominated by a large, curved dual-screen layout, a 12.3-inch infotainment screen integrated with a digital instrument cluster. This setup provides a futuristic, seamless interface that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice recognition, and over-the-air updates. The center console is clean and driver-oriented, with soft-touch materials and ambient lighting elevating the experience. Under the hood, the 2025 MG1 offers a refined 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine producing around 181 horsepower and 285 Nm of torque, mated to a CVT or 7-speed DCT, depending on the variant. This powertrain provides smooth acceleration and confident overtaking capabilities, whether you're navigating city traffic or hitting the highway. The suspension has been tuned for a balanced ride, offering comfort on bumpy roads while maintaining composure around corners. Fuel efficiency remains a key strength for the MG1, with an expected mileage of around 15 to 17 km/h, depending on driving conditions and transmission choice. This makes it an economical option for daily commuting and longer trips alike. Moreover, MG's commitment to safety is evident with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot detection, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring peace of mind for both driver and passengers. Beyond performance and safety, the MG1 also caters to tech-savvy buyers with its AI-powered personal assistant, customizable digital themes, and remote vehicle control via the MGI Smart app. From starting the engine remotely to checking vehicle diagnostics and updating navigation in real time, the MG1 ensures you're always connected. Priced competitively in the mid-range SUV bracket, the MG1 offers excellent value. It competes directly with models like the Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, and Volkswagen Taycan, but stands out with its unique design language, rich feature list, and growing brand trust. MG's rapidly expanding service network and warranty offerings add another layer of appeal for first-time buyers and loyal customers alike. In essence, the 2025 MG1 is more than just a stylish crossover, it's a statement vehicle for a new generation of drivers. It blends cutting-edge technology, solid performance, and premium design into a package that feels both futuristic and approachable. Whether you're a young professional, a small family, or just someone who enjoys the thrill of the drive, the MG1 makes a strong case for itself as one of the most exciting SUVs in its class this year.